good. Who's ready for some more comedy? Cool. The next comedian, he is no stranger to the stage. He's been here a bunch of times. He's a South Florida favorite. Please put your hands together for Sina!
You can tell
Thank you so much, everybody, for not calling the bomb squad. You know, brown guy with a backpack who looks like he's got nothing much to lose. I am your friendly neighborhood suspect. I am enjoying my brown privileges. Like, this is the most eye contact I got in my life. And I've been touched more by the airport security people than my wife. But if you guys are thinking, even if his jokes are bad, I will get a discount from a 7-Eleven store, then you're racist. Because we Indians don't give any discounts. But I do get a little sick and tired of the brown stereotypes. You know, my American colleague asked me today, Sita, what will be your code name if you were a terrorist? I was like, what do you mean if I were a terrorist? He resigned. As you guys can see, I am a clean comic. Fuck yeah. Do you all understand my Indian accent? Yeah. Because I don't. Any Indian people in the house? No? I feel so at home. Well, my parents did not give me a name. They gave me a paragraph. And it is Sita Raman Radha Krishnan. You know, which means better luck next life. Well, I can be romantic. Well, I was singing this to a girl today. Hello, is it me you're looking for? She said, yes, you moron. Can you stop singing and fix my computer? Yes, I am a computer engineer by race. My first word was not mama, it was Java. And when my friends were doing drugs like PCP, I was doing TCP/IP. And if you guys don't know what that is, well, congratulations, you have a life. Whenever I get homesick, I call the Dell Technical Support. Thanks for calling Dell. This is James Wood. How may I help you? Is that cousin Ravi? Say hi to your pet goat, man. You know, I met a girl outside. She told me I look like a British celebrity. I asked her, is it James Bond? She said, no man, it's Mr. Bean. Well, a little bit about India. We Indians have a love-hate relationship with the British. But I feel bad for them because I recently tried British food. I mean, how bad is your empire's cuisine that you have to start colonizing other countries to get some food recipes? You know, I think this is how it went down. The queen was like, I can't eat any more of this bland food. Take the royal army, colonize India, and get me some chicken tikka masala. And make it medium spicy. We Indians are very peaceful people, guys. The only thing we want to blow up in your neighborhood are the prices at our 7-Eleven stores. Yeah, I got a sale going on if you guys want to come by. I don't like physical confrontation at all because as you can see, I will lose. Like if I find you flirting with my wife, my trash talk to you will be, I will make your life hell when you call the help desk. Yeah. Growing up in India, I did all the stupid things to impress girls. You know, like stalking them. I got kidnapped one time and they made me call my dad. He was like, how much money do they want? Say hello to your new foster parents for me. But as soon as I came to the US for my studies, the conservative Hindu guy I am, I said forget alcohol and chicken and went straight to cocaine and beef. Who the hell decided to name their store BJ's? Are you guys kidding me? I land here from India for the first time. I got high as shit and my friend took me to BJ's. That did not end well at all. I was running around with my dick hanging out, yelling at campus, where are the glory holes? They threw me out, man. My first date after college ended in a complete disaster. Yeah, I'm still married to her. But married sex does become really monotonous and boring, right? So I thought I will spice things up. You know, I suggested anal. Bad idea, guys. My wife came to the bedroom with this huge strap on. My butt's still hurting. Like, everybody is going through something in my house. I'm going through midlife crisis. My kids are going through teenage life crisis. My wife, she's going through all my emails and text messages. It's a mad house. I wanted to write some self-deprecating jokes, you know, so I spoke to my wife and then to my mother. I ended up writing my suicide note. Yeah, tomorrow's the big day. If you guys don't hear from me, well, I don't know, look at the obituaries or something. But I do feel happy today, guys, because I uploaded a comedy video to YouTube today. Within 1 hour, I got 5,000 views, guys. And that's just my immediate family. Yeah. As you guys like some wife jokes, here is one more for you. My wife just came back from a long trip to India. As soon as she walked into the house, there's like 10 minutes of kissing and hugging and crying. You know, the dog surely missed her. Okay, I'm switching to Indian jokes now. Well, my time is almost up, but I do want to say I am very, very lucky to be Indian, guys. Yes. My first cousin is a doctor, my second cousin is a dentist, my third cousin is my wife.